Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Maya and Alex podcast.
Hi, I am Alex, and this is Maya. We are so happy you are here.
Every episode, we talk about something from normal life in simple English, so you can follow along easily.
Yes, just listen and enjoy. Today we talk about going to the doctor.
Going to the doctor, this is so important to know in English.
Yes, if you live in an English-speaking country or if you travel, you need to know how to talk to a doctor.
And even if you do not, these words are very useful. You hear them everywhere in movies, in TV shows, in real life.
So let's start. First, let's talk about making a doctor's appointment.
An appointment is a planned meeting, a time you arrange to see someone, like a doctor or a dentist.
To make an appointment, you call the doctor's office or the clinic, and you say, "Hello, I would like to make an appointment, please."
The receptionist will ask, "What is the reason for your visit?" That means, "Why do you want to see the doctor?"
And you can say, "I have a sore throat," or "I have been feeling unwell," or "I need a checkup."
A checkup is when you go to the doctor not because you are sick, but just to make sure everything is okay.
Like a routine check. Everything is fine, but you just want to be sure.
Yes, very important to do regularly. Okay, so you make the appointment, you go to the doctor. What happens next?
First, you check in at the reception, you give your name, and you wait.
Waiting rooms. Oh, I do not love waiting rooms.
Nobody does, but they are part of life.
Yes, the waiting room is the room where you sit and wait before you see the doctor.
Then the nurse or doctor calls your name, and you go in.
The doctor will ask, "How are you feeling today?" Or, "What brings you in today?"
What brings you in today means, why are you here? What is the problem?
And you explain your symptoms. Symptoms are the signs of an illness, the things you feel when you are sick.
Like a headache, a fever, a cough, a sore throat, a stomach ache.
Let's explain each one. A headache, that is pain in your head.
A fever. That means your body temperature is very high. You feel very hot.
A cough, that is when air comes out of your throat loudly, like this. Cough, cough.
A sore throat. That means your throat hurts. It is painful when you swallow.
A stomach ache, that means your stomach hurts. You feel pain in your belly.
These are the most common symptoms: headache, fever, cough, sore throat, stomach ache.
Say them with us. Headache,
Fever,
cough,
sore throat.
stomach ache. Good.
Now let's talk about how to describe how you feel to the doctor.
You can say, "I have been feeling unwell for 3 days." That means you have not felt good for 3 days.
Or, "I have a pain here," and you point to where it hurts.
Or, "It hurts when I do this." And you show the movement that causes pain.
Very useful phrases. "I have a pain here. It hurts when I do this. I have been feeling unwell."
The doctor might ask, "On a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is the pain?"
1 means very little pain. 10 means the worst pain you can imagine.
So you say, "It is about a 6. Or maybe a 4. Not too bad, but it is there."
The doctor might also ask, "How long have you had this?" That means, "When did this start?"
And you say, "It started 2 days ago." Or, "I have had it for about a week."
Or, "It started suddenly this morning." Suddenly means it happened very fast, without warning.
Good words to know. Suddenly, gradually. Gradually means slowly over time.
Like, the pain started gradually. It was small at first. Then it got bigger over time.
Or, the pain started suddenly. It was fine and then boom, it hurt a lot.
Good. Now the doctor examines you. Examine means the doctor looks at your body carefully. They check everything.
They might say, "Take a deep breath." That means breathe in slowly and deeply.
Or, "Open your mouth, please," so they can look inside.
Or, "This might feel a little cold." When they use a stethoscope on your chest.
A stethoscope is the instrument doctors use to listen to your heart and lungs.
After the examination, the doctor tells you what they think. This is called a diagnosis.
A diagnosis is the doctor's conclusion. What they think is wrong with you.
Like, you have a cold. Or you have an infection. Or it is just stress.
And then the doctor might prescribe medication. Prescribe means the doctor writes a note so you can get medicine from the pharmacy.
The note is called a prescription. You take it to the pharmacy. And the pharmacist gives you the medicine.
Pharmacist is the person who works at the pharmacy and gives you your medicine.
The doctor might say, "Take this twice a day." That means 2 times every day.
Or, "Take this with food." That means eat something before you take the medicine.
Or get plenty of rest. That means sleep a lot. Relax. Do not work too hard.
And drink lots of water. Always drink lots of water when you are sick.
Always, water is so important.
Let's also talk about some other useful medical words.
Allergic. If you are allergic to something, your body reacts badly to it. Like some people are allergic to cats or to peanuts.
The doctor might ask, "Are you allergic to any medication?" And you say yes or no.
If yes, you say, I am allergic to penicillin, or whatever you're allergic to.
Very important information for the doctor. Always tell them your allergies.
Another word, chronic. Chronic means something that lasts a long time. It does not go away quickly.
Like, I have chronic back pain. That means my back has been hurting for a long time. It is not new.
And acute. Acute means something that started recently and is quite serious.
Like, he has acute appendicitis. That means it started recently and needs immediate attention.
Chronic versus acute. Long-term versus short-term but serious.
Good to know. Now let's talk about the emergency room, or ER.
The emergency room is where you go when something very serious happens, and you cannot wait for a normal appointment.
Like if you break a bone, or if you have a very bad accident, or chest pain.
In an emergency, you call 911 in America, or 999 in the UK, or 112 in Europe.
These are emergency numbers for police, fire, and ambulance.
An ambulance is the vehicle that comes to help you in a medical emergency. It takes you to the hospital quickly.
Hopefully you never need it, but good to know these words.
Yes, better safe than sorry. Better safe than sorry means it is better to be careful even if you do not need to be.
Great expression. Better safe than sorry. Remember that one.
Okay, let's also talk about mental health. Because health is not just physical, it is also mental.
Yes, mental health is about how you feel emotionally, your mind, your feelings.
Like feeling stressed, or anxious, or depressed.
Anxious means you feel worried and nervous, like something bad might happen.
And depressed means you feel very sad and low for a long time. You have no energy, no motivation.
If you feel this way, it is important to talk to someone, a doctor, a therapist, a friend.
A therapist is a professional who helps you with your mental health. You talk to them, and they help you understand your feelings.
There is no shame in seeing a therapist. It is very brave and smart.
Absolutely. Taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your physical health.
Well said, Maya. Well said.
Thank you. Okay, let's do a quick review of today's vocabulary.
Appointment, a planned meeting with the doctor.
Symptoms, the signs of an illness, like headache, fever, cough.
Diagnosis, what the doctor thinks is wrong with you.
Prescription, the note from the doctor so you can get medicine.
Allergic, when your body reacts badly to something.
Emergency room, where you go for serious medical problems. And therapist, a professional who helps with your mental health. Great vocabulary, all very useful in real life. Okay, time for our word of the day.
Yes, our special word for today.
Today's word is recover.
Recover, R-E-C-O-V-E-R, recover.
Recover means to get better after being sick, to return to normal health.
Like, she is recovering from a cold. That means she was sick, but now she is getting better.
Or, he needs time to recover after the operation. That means after the surgery, he needs rest to get better.
You can also use recover in other situations, not just health. Like, she recovered from the bad news. That means she felt sad, but then felt better again.
Recover is a very useful word, in health and in life.
So the word is recover. Say it, recover.
Recover.
Perfect, remember it, use it.
Okay, everyone, that is the end of episode 6.
Today we talked about going to the doctor, making an appointment, describing symptoms, understanding the doctor, and some important medical words.
And our word of the day was recover.
Now it is your turn. Write in the comments. What do you say when you go to the doctor? Or write one symptom in English. We want to read it.
If this episode helped you give us a thumbs up, it means a lot to us.
And subscribe to our channel. New episodes every week. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.